Hello and welcome to Bellocam. Today we've got Kev who's bringing his van up. He's been having a bit of trouble now trying to get an MOT on it for a while. He's been getting a little frustrated with it, so we're going to see if we can help him out with that today. So for those of you who haven't seen it before, this is my Abbot 18-ton self-propelled gun. I've recently restored this to the condition it's in now. So let's go sort that van out. She's alive!
Pass MOT now, isn't it?
Yeah, take her for a spin! I'm going to chase you with a tank!
Right, it's sorted the ABS problem now.
Oh, ideal! Well, that's Kev's van all sorted for him. No more stressing out on how he was going to fix it, get it back on the road. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see us crush next time, just throw a suggestion in the comments section and we'll see what we can do for you. Catch you next time.